Today we're going to be doing a review of a site called CashandGo, and we're going to find out whether you can actually earn money online with CashandGo. And also make sure you stay tuned right to the very end, because there's some information I'm going to uncover that you're going to want to know before you go and join CashandGo. And it's all to do whether you can make money or not. Make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. So let's jump over to the desktop and go through everything so you can see exactly whether CashandGo is worth your time. Okay, so as you can see here, we've landed on the CashandGo website, and we've got confidently work from home. Well, obviously lots of people are looking to work from home in this day and age. You get paid just to invite friends, test out apps and games, and earn more. Earn $5 for every user you refer. And also it says you get a 25 bonus after you sign up. Okay, now I went and actually signed up. So I wanted to find out exactly what it was all about. I know for a fact, having done a little bit of research, that it's a very new site. So I want to go and show you inside the site. So stay tuned, watch me go through the site and watch me unravel some untold truths that you may want to know about. So before we go inside, as you can see here, it says here how to get started. You sign up and start sharing and earn money in the task area, and then you cash out your earnings. So let's just go and sign in and show you the inside of CashandGo. Okay, so I've signed into my account here, and as you can see, I got my $25 in my account. And it also says here that I have to get to $40 I can actually level up and get the level 2. Okay, now it says underneath here you've got to invite and earn. Okay, so that would be my link. So I need to copy and share the link to friends and family and use our sharing kit. They've got a sharing kit as well, and you get 50 cents per click, and you also get $50 per invite. It also is telling me here that I can get to level 5 by in 2 or 3 days. I'll get a $250 bonus, and as you can see here, the offer ends of the $50 invites on the 1st of June as well, which is a couple of days away. So from here we would then go and share the link, but I want to go and find out a few more things about what they're saying here, because if you actually scroll down here, obviously the rewards are coming soon. There are no rewards at the moment. The giveaways coming soon. The slot machines that you can play games on coming soon. Now if you then click on it says here you get a jackpot and you can spin the wheel to win cool prizes. This was saying it was 14 hours ago, about 12 hours ago. So that hasn't changed at all, and if you click on it, as you can see, nothing is clickable here. It's not clickable, so you can't even open that tab. So a lot of it is maybe still under being developed. I possibly don't think so, but if you then go over and click on the £25 here, I was going to try and say, okay, will it let me withdraw my $25? If you click on that, nothing seems to happen. As you can see, look, it's not going anywhere. It says it's a link, but it's not actually opening anywhere. Okay, so it must be linked directly back to the home page. If you go onto your referral tab here, okay, if you click that, again, it's clickable, but nothing happening. And as you can see here, if I click on the refresh, as you can see here, it said it refreshed. Okay, but they have got over here a task center. So if we click on that, and as you can see, it says you must reach level 2 to access the tasks. It's pretty easy. You invite 2 real friends. And as you can see here, you've got here $21 to win you're going to get $21 to actually refer people into a Primark £250 voucher. You're also going to get $21.20 if you're going to get into the a draw to win a £500 Xbox. They're not guys, they're not going to pay you that sort of money if they're then giving away an Xbox. Why would they give you $21 just for sign up for a draw? There's something really obviously a bit sort of worrying about this one. So I went on, obviously done a little bit more diving into it, and if we go across to a site called who.is, this website is actually registered with a domain server called Tuscal's Domains. Now, if you look at on my actual YouTube account, I've made a whole playlist of scammed websites, and the majority of those scam websites are hosted on this particular company's servers. It could be a coincidence, but I don't think so. Also here, you've obviously got the site was only registered on the 1st of April and then was updated on the 2nd of May. So my guess is it actually went live on the 2nd of May, which is under a month. And the domain expires in 1 year's time, which is the smallest amount you can actually get a domain for 1 year. So if these guys wanted to be around forever, they would have at least a 2-year deal, maybe even a 5-year deal on their domain name. So they obviously think there's no point in doing it for too long because we may not be around that long. Now, I know a lot of people are going to say, well, you haven't tried getting people involved. There's no way I'm going to ask you to go and sign up, because I know, and I do know because I've done lots of research, seen loads of sites very similar to this which promise you these sort of figures, and you can check them out on my playlist, guys. So I'm not going to go and invite, because that's all that you have got to do. Is the first thing is to invite 2 other people to join. Now, I could go and do that. I could just say, right, my link's below here, go and join, and I'll get my 2 people, and it'll open up the tasks, and I'll earn loads of money. But I won't get paid. I can tell you that for now. You won't get paid. Now, if you go across to their website again, let's just have a look at a couple of other things here. First of all, let's go back and see. First of all, they're showing pictures here on an app. Okay, go back to the actual website and you scroll down. There's nowhere where you can download an app. So if you actually go to the actual website itself on the front page, there is nowhere to download the app. Okay, if you scroll right to the very bottom, we have some apps down here, and there's a clickable link. Doesn't go anywhere. So, and I've checked, been on Google Play, there is no such app as CashandGo. So they are falsifying what they are saying here. Okay, which is not good. So let's go and have a look at some of these payments that they're supposed to have actually sent out. Okay, just got my 4th payout so far. This guy has actually earned $3,500. Why would you wait to earn $3,500 before you pay out? You would get to $100 and then you try and cash it out and make sure that they're paying and you're obviously a legit company. Now, the only disturbing thing is on this one here, the payment date was May the 16th, 2021, which was a year ago, a year before the site actually launched. So please, 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 and I say please, do not go and join up to this. I've joined up and I've tested it, and all they want you to do is go and refer other people first before you can even open up any of the tasks. You're going to do the tasks, you're going to get paid some money, but you're not going to be able to withdraw this money. There is nowhere on the site at the moment where you can withdraw money. So how are these people got withdrawals? There's nowhere here that says. I've clicked the link where my money is and it doesn't go anywhere. So you'll probably say, oh, well, yeah, but you haven't reached the limit. It says it's unlimited. You can draw out straight away. So they're not being truthful with what they say, guys. Definitely do not go and join CashandGo. There are plenty of places where you can go and earn proper money online, but you won't get any $250 bonus for doing nothing. You won't get $50 for inviting people. Not really at all. You're not going to get that sort of money. Yes, you'll earn a few cents here and a few dollars here with various different sites, and there are other sites so you can actually earn. I've earned legitimately nearly $5,000 with one of the sites that I've been using, and nearly $10,000 with another site. So there are sites out there where you can actually earn money, and just check them out. I've got a couple of playlists here, how you can go and earn money online. Check those out. They're all legit sites that you can go and earn cash. But this one, I don't think you're going to. By all means, if you want to sign up, obviously I'm not going to give you my link, but go and find a link, go and check it out, and find out for yourself. But just obviously come back and let us know once you've actually got a payout. But I don't think it's going to happen, guys. I would move on, go to the next one, just put this down to a bad experience. But of course, there will always be those people who will comment in below saying they've got paid, they've done this, they've done the other. Just ignore them, guys. You can see straight away that this is not going to happen. That's it. I can't do any more than that. I can't go and show you the task. I'm not prepared to go and invite anybody to this when I know full well that it's not actually going to pay out, because they're going to be wasting their time. And then that gives me a bad name. I don't want a bad name. I try and do everything legit and try and tell people about these sort of sites so that they don't waste their time. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. Hopefully you did. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Remember to watch this video next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.